Hey y'all, it's Kel Lynette. Today I'm going to be doing a kiss dip kit, something that you can do at home. Now, this is my first time doing it, so all of y'all professionals out there, please do not come for me, okay? This is my first time doing it. I'm definitely not a professional. Honestly, I've never done my own nails, even as just like nail polish, believe it or not. Do not come for my beat up cuticles, okay? Don't come for me, okay? Because your girl is trying out here. She's trying. Now, this dip kit, it cost me $8, so it's definitely very affordable. I got it from my local Dollar General, so I'm pretty sure if you have a Dollar General by your house, and you can get it from there. Now, in this step, I'm just applying the brush gel that comes with it. And then, of course, I'm going to dip it in. And I'm going to dip all the nails 3 times. So I'm just going to hush and let y'all watch the video. Also, y'all, I'm recording off of my iPhone 7. Yes, I said iPhone 7. So that's why, the quality of the video isn't so good. And also, I want to apologize about how my camera is positioned. Hopefully, I was giving you guys some pretty good shots. But yeah, like I said, I just basically dip the nails in for 3 times. And that's basically it. Now I'm about to add the activator to my nails. This is actually the first time that I added the activator. I didn't record the second time that I added the activator after I buffed my nail and shaped them how I wanted them. So after this, then you'll see the finished product. Now, y'all, this is the finished product. Do not come for me about the shaping. I definitely did mess up on the shaping, but for this being my first time, I think I did a pretty good job.